Hello and welcome to E-Prime this evening. It's me, I'm back, Daytran. Now yesterday Jamaica celebrated Emancipation Day, which saw the return of the street parade and float. The float parade in Kingston saw scores of people coming out in halfway tree to witness the return. Queen of the parade Miss World Tony Ann Singh made her way through the streets of Kingston in a classic convertible car for Convoy of Beauty. Now the floats are decorated around 8 main themes: Crime Stop for Paradise, God is Love, Diamond Heroes, Sounds of Jamaica, Reap What You Sow, Bridge to Progress, Balloon Float, and Sweet Sweet Jamaica. It also featured bands, costumed groups, effigies, John Cuna. Speaking with E-Prime, Mayor Delroy Williams was delighted with the turnout.
What you saw today was in fact that there are Jamaicans still believe in their country, and Jamaicans are still proud of their country, and Jamaicans are still willing to come out to support their country. And that's, to me, that's the foundation on which we can achieve many things. If we were to think about Kingston, we have been committed to creating a caring city, And I believe that out of this, the message for me would be creating a kind, gentle, and caring society.
Project Director for Commemorative Events at the Ministry of Culture, Lenford Salmon, also shared on the pride for the Diamond Heroes.
Perhaps the most challenging one was Diamond Heroes, and for Shahid Cole to get the look-alike for those heroes. We have had a history of people not being too happy with the portrayal of our heroes. We have had a few unpleasant episodes, and I think Shahid distinguished himself today in the portrayals that he was able to come up with. People have been talking about it. Every second person I pass, that's what they're talking about. And just generally, all the designers, all the builders just outdid themselves.
60th celebrations continued in the evening with the staging of the Festival Queen competition, where Miss Kingston and St. Andrew Veronique Bowen was crowned this year's winner.
Your Miss Jamaica Festival Queen is Veronique Bowen! Kingston and St. Andrew, which got big letters.
First runner-up went to Sherry Gay Johnson, Miss Clarendon, while second runner-up was LaShawn Redwood of Westmoreland. The festivities continue tonight with old school dancehall at Independence Village in honor of veteran entertainers including Josie Wales, Admiral Bailey, Buru Banton, Major Mackerel, among others.
Throughout this week, we have something called old school dancehall, which is we're getting people like Josie Wales and Ricky Trooper, Peter Metro, and those to have a nice vibe. But the big event, of course, is on the 6th, the Grand Gala in the National Stadium. And we have some great, great, great excitement in there for you. I will just give you a little peek. We're going to have a display with 300 drones.
Wow.
It's going to be a spectacular display.
I'm Daytran reporting for E-Prime. Thank you for